How's it going, guys? It's going to be a quick video on a couple of quick modifications that I'm going to do to the new Integra Type R DC5 track car that I've just bought. I'm going to be doing some new wheels and tyres, exhaust, and maybe gearbox fluid, and if I get time, in an intake kit as well. But yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so that's the old exhaust off now. Spoon end one, second hand going to be going on. Give it a quick polish. Once it's on, I'll just polish the bits that you can see because I couldn't really be bothered. This took a lot more getting off than what it should have done, due to the fact somebody decided they were going to underseal the actual exhaust mounts, which is nice of them. Made it a bit of a fuck on, but I'm going to get the new exhaust on now and see what it's like. Right, that's the exhaust now on. Doesn't look too bad, to be fair. I suspect it'll be fairly loud, but hopefully not too loud with it having the standard B pipe and manifold. Fucking hell. Right, let's go for a first start here and hope there's no fucking leaks. That looks good to me. I can't hear anything. Nice bit of difference there. Standard's a 7J 215 tyre. This is a 225 on a 7.5J. I'm just draining the gearbox oil out now, as you can see. I'm going to change it out for a CAS differential oil. Supposed to make it a little bit less aggressive on the road, because this has been set for quite an aggressive lock on this differential, so hopefully that improves things. While that's draining out, I'm going to stick the other wheels on. So the gearbox oil changed. Had a bit of a amateur moment. It's quite a large spill, but it's not the end of the world. I think I've got most of it with the old degreaser. Basically lowered the car back down before putting the raised it back up before putting the drain plug back in. So we had I don't know, we spilled about 100ml, 200ml of gearbox oil, so it's never great, but shit happens there. Nice set of Jap spec Bill Steins. Very nice. Okay, so that's wheels, check. Exhaust, check. And gearbox flush, oil change. I have got a few other bits to do, but I've got this Tigua, however you pronounce that, induction kit to go on. It's got the scoop here and heat shield, elbow, etc. So that's going on shortly. I was going to do it today, but with the little spill and a few other little problems, it's going to have to be next time, I'm afraid. But I'll probably get on with that tomorrow. Looking nice on the wheels. Pull it forward in a minute.